I'm
there.
Whitney.
I'm Hailey.
I'm David.
And we today are talking about our new recycling program. And I feel like I kind of caused this in a bad way.
No, you didn't. No.
I feel like I did.
No,
because I am someone who likes to see something on paper. Like I'm old fashioned like that. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
It's
I
easier
get
for me
that.
to like hold on to it. Like a report needs to be printed out, or a report needs to be reviewed, print it out for me. I like to mark it up, make my notes.
Me too.
Yeah,
Me
it's
too.
Which
just.
I totally understand. And so,
But there's days when I feel like I'm single-handedly taking out the rainforest,
Yeah, she-
and I feel a little bit bad about that.
she apologizes to me
Yeah,
daily.
I do. Because Hailey sits right by the printer, of course, like our most like environmentally conscious employee, and I'm like, Hailey, can
Sorry.
you grab me that novel that I just printed out? And yes,
Yeah.
I know.
So we have a problem, but
little bit of a problem.
I think what's so cool about this is that we can kind of adjust it to what we need. So if you want to
Sure.
have your reports printed off, go ahead and print it. But with the waste audit, at least you can kind of like have a representation.
Yeah, they're doing a waste audit.
Oh,
you know?
I'll-
Do you know who's gonna have like the worst numbers on that? Like I am not looking forward.
But we'll get to see how much improvement we can make. It's going to be great.
So you have the highest potential.
Oh,
for improvement.
that is true.
You know?
Don't know how I feel about that exactly, but
Most improved is a great award.
yeah, that's true. That's true.
So yeah, so we're going to do a waste audit. We're going to use clear trash bags, and I don't know if I want to do separate trash cans for everyone.
You have to get one for Leslie.
Yeah.
Because Leslie and Brooke throw their
Yeah.
crap away in mine too.
Yeah.
So I feel like I'm at an even further disadvantage.
Oh, it's going to be individual.
And David throws it in
All
mine.
right.
It's not going to be a corporate audit. It's
No,
gonna be
like
individual audit.
Haley is in charge of this.
Yeah, then we're going to do rewards for the highest percentage of waste diversion. So we're going to use these clear bags. We're going to use these clear bags, and we're going to assume how much of the waste in it is recyclable that we just threw away and didn't recycle. And then, but you know, you can recycle paper.
You can recycle paper.
And so that's your waste diversion rate is going to be huge.
That's true. Sammy will be our son is like everything. He's like, we need to recycle that. I really need to get a recycling bin out front. Like I really do.
I'll
'Cause
just take it home too.
Yeah, I know. And I'm really doing Haley a favor because I'm allowing her to do good things
My
for
passion.
the earth.
Yep.
My passion. Take our crap home and recycle it. No, but so Sammy had to do a, if you were president, like what would your focus be? And his was to make everybody recycle. I'm like, oh my gosh, so many angles. So many angles. But no, it's amazing though. And I know, do you just love him even more? So yeah, there's definitely a push a strong push to get us to start doing that. So,
But it's because the earth is suffering.
yes. So we definitely are going to start making a bigger effort. Maybe I just don't buy paper next time, and just say sorry.
What
Yeah.
about recycled paper?
Oh yeah, I guess so, huh? Recycled printer paper. My mom used to buy us the recycled paper notebooks in school, way back in the day.
They're kind of like gray, but
I know, and they don't erase very
the
well.
paper now is a lot better.
Is it?
Mhm.
We'll have to
The
check
printer.
into
Well, that's a
that.
good idea. I like that.
So
But-
then it's like we're still staying in the negative, or it's a wash. If
Yeah.
we're printing a lot, you know.
And then we recycle it, so it's a whole cycle.
But generating the market or need for recycling
Sure.
Exactly.
has a positive
Right.
You
outcome.
put your money where your mouth is.
Absolutely.
Right, so I think that'd be a good improvement. Now, I mean, but let's be fair to ourselves. I mean, we're talking about inside the walls of the lab here,
Right.
is what we're talking about.
Well, and
But we have, I mean, think about
Concrete, I know.
recycled concrete.
I know, that's something that John brought up. He's like, we waste so much, because that's like, we are an R&D lab, so we break a lot of concrete and throw it away. So we've got to start,
Did he tell you
figuring
about the
out.
doghouse?
He did, that's right, I forgot.
He
What
wants
was
to
it?
build doghouses out of the concrete that
Right.
we have.
And take them to like shelters and stuff in the
Right.
area.
It's gotta be our waste stream, but we're helping others with their,
Right.
with their waste
Right.
stream. I mean, who is the expert on recycled concrete aggregate?
That is true. I
Mhm.
know.
That would be
You
you.
need to dial in my stuff on the paper, but you're right, the RCA, it definitely is like one of our passions here, and Jonathan always gives me a lot of credit, and I did take the lead on that, but he, worked with me
Right.
very closely on that project. So it's something that we love and we're very passionate about and making an impact
Right.
in that way. So,
So, I mean,
hard.
give ourselves some credit.
Yeah.
But, I mean, within the walls of the lab,
No, it's
Yeah.
hard because
we can do better.
oh, absolutely, absolutely,
and we might not be zero waste. We're not going to be zero waste, but
Right.
that's fine.
right.
So
But maybe lower.
yeah. Yeah, so basically we wanted to talk about, we're just going to talk about some ways that if you want to reduce your waste.
Right.
Reusable silverware. I carry a Tupperware and silverware and a straw in my car at all times. So whenever I go to a restaurant, I can just take my food to go in that. I really want to
Oh, really?
Mhm.
Okay.
I really want to do a litterless lunch day. So everyone has to have, like, their lunch can have no packaging.
Oh, I like that. Yeah, we have the plastic containers, and I do that for the kids too. Like
Mhm.
we reuse the same few containers for all of us,
Exactly.
and their water bottles. Like, they take their same water bottles every day. So,
Yep.
okay,
I'm okay with that.
yeah,
Yeah, so there's just a lot of ideas. We'll probably talk about them in future videos. We're going to do a recycled concrete with recycled plastic in the concrete project later on, so stay tuned.
yep, some fun things coming.
I'm
Yeah.
excited. Like always, like, subscribe, ding that bell for notifications.